Hi there, this is Jamie here from ICOM. This is another in the series of Windows 7 training videos that we're providing. Now today we're going to look at how you can get to various different files in Windows 7 that's different from previous editions of Windows. Now you may have seen one of my other videos, which is where I showed you how to use the search bar, which is just down here in the start menu. So that would be where you just type in some words and it brings up any reference anywhere on your computer, whether it be a file, folder, whatever, email, that these letters contain. So that's Jamie. Yep. So we're not going to do that today. We're actually going to look at some of the other things. So one of the other ones I want to look at is what's called jump lists. So along here we've got various different quick start, quick launch buttons. Yep. So any one of these I press, off it goes, and it creates a new document. Yep. The other thing you can do though is that if you right click on one of these, it will actually give you a jump list to any of the documents that you've got to recently. So it usually keeps under 10. So that's one in Publisher. This is PowerPoint. I go to Excel. I've got things in Excel. Now even in Internet Explorer, it'll show me the last few websites I've been to. And if I go to Windows Explorer, then it's got the last few folders I've been to, which is fantastic. Okay. The other thing that's good is if you've got multiple windows open and you can actually get them to share the screen, which is something that you couldn't ever do before. You have to usually flick between the two of them like I'm having to do now. Now if I just sort of throw this to one side, you notice that it goes to sort of half screen size. So it's great if you want to type something in here and then type something in here and reference two different documents at the same time. Again, if I move this, it becomes normal size again. Okay, throw it against the side wall, it shares half the screen. Now another great feature too is that if I actually throw this to the upper screen, it actually maximizes, which is cool. Then bring it back down, it's normal again. And finally, there's another feature which is called shake. So if I actually keep my cursor, hold the left mouse button down, keep the cursor on the document, and I shake it, it minimizes all the other windows. And I shake it again, brings them up again. Yep. There we go. There we go. Alright. So really, no, I don't want to save. Really good feature. No. Finally, what I want to show you is some of the differences in the Windows Explorer. So we're just going to open this one up. Windows Explorer. Now, let's just get this to one side. Yeah. You'll notice that there's this new thing called libraries. So basically you've got 4 different categories of library. Now they're all arbitrary. You can put documents and videos and pictures and music. It doesn't really matter. But what they basically are, I'm just going to open this one up, is again quick links to other folders on your drive, either on your hard drive or network drive or whatever it might be. Now the way that you create those, I'm just going to go to my local disk. I've got OCS Docs Backup. Yep. The way you create those is to right click and then go include in library. Now I could do send to, create a shortcut, that would work too, but this is much swifter. Okay, so I'm going to include this in my documents library. Yep. Just processing away. Now if I go back to libraries and documents, yep, you will notice too that we have OCS Docs, OCS Docs Backup. Yep. So it's got a quick link to any of these things. So if I want to get into one of these files here, yep, here we go. Fantastic. So this is demonstrating what we might do in a Microsoft Office Communicator super user class. Okay. Alright, so that's some of the differences in Windows 7 that just make your life a little bit easier getting around. Okay. Thank you very much.